So now let's see how we can work around with text animations inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So in order to work around with text animation, I'm going to go around onto the animation section right here. And just like applying animations to any other objects like videos, you simply can go around and add an in animation over here. But you get text effect right here, as you can see right in specific. You can go around and click and choose around the duration of the animation right here, and the text effect is applied in the in section, as you can see. And similarly in the out section as well, you can go around and select out and out animation right here, as you can see. So this is the in animation and out animation right here, which makes the overall text interesting, as you can see right there. If I were to go around onto animation right here and then go around onto loop, then what happens is that it simply adds in a looping animation right here in the overall text right here, just like this. So that is what you have as well. So you can add in an in animation and out animation right here and go for loop. And in case of loop, you work around with speed right here. You can make it faster right here, or you can make it slower, as you can see, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with text animations inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe